Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. This is the second episode in the Google series I'm making on Google SketchUp. My name is Joseph and I hope you guys are having a great day so far. So today I'm covering all the camera movements in Google SketchUp. So this should be a pretty quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to cover both the short keys and the hotbar keys. So we'll start with the hotbar keys up here. So we've got orbit. So if I click left on the screen with the orbit key selected, you can see I'm rotating around a central point of view by using my mouse left and right, and then I can do the opposite to change from up and down. So that's the orbit key. My next one is pan. So pan will let me click on the screen and I can go left and right on the screen, and you can see that it lets me pan around, and if I go up and down, you can see again, it just pans based on the vertices that it's selected to. My next is zoom. So if I click, I can zoom in by holding it and dragging the cursor up and down. And left and right doesn't do anything. The last one is the zoom, which I'm guessing is just a snap. Yeah, so it's just a snap in. I don't use that feature at all. So that is the basics of movement. Now, I use a lot of the hotkeys in Google SketchUp. I don't actually rely at all on these hotbars. So orbit for me is one of the more important ones. It's middle mouse, and you can orbit the same way as I described before, except instead of needing to click on the orbit key, you can just use your middle mouse. Next is this is a more advanced version of orbit where you can actually change your axes and rotate mid-camera. I don't use this one a lot, but it can be useful. That's using the control middle mouse key. And again, I'll do that again. Control middle mouse key. Next is the shift key and middle mouse, which lets me pan. So nice and simple. Again, that's shift and middle mouse. And that just lets me use the pan function. Alt and middle mouse lets me do nothing, apparently. Well, yeah, that would actually make sense. I'm an idiot. But you can pan zoom, and then if you use your scroll wheel in and out, this gives you the ability to scroll in and out from a point. Now that is actually derived off of where your cursor is. So if I'm trying to scroll around, you can see I can move by scrolling and rotating in and around. So that will cover today's tutorial. As I said, it was a nice quick one. I hope everyone enjoyed it. And yeah, have a great day.